Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're making flapjacks. Let's begin. You will want to start by lining your tin. I'm using an 8-inch square tin and lining it with some greaseproof paper. Into a small saucepan you'll want to add all of your butter, your sugar and golden syrup. You will want to melt them over a medium heat just until they're all combined and the mixture is smooth. Into a separate bowl you'll want to add all of your oats. On top of your oats you will want to pour over your liquid mixture of the melted butter, the sugar and the golden syrup, and just mix that to combine using a spatula. While you're mixing, try and coat all the oats as best as you possibly can to get an equal coverage. So once your oats are coated, you will then want to put them into your lined tin that you'd prepared earlier on. Press them down lightly just to press into the corners, and then you can bake. I will leave all that information in the description down below. So once it's baked and fully cooled, you can then cut it up however you like. I decided to cut mine into more bite-sized pieces, but you could also cut them into bigger pieces. That's up to you, however you want to serve them. And that's how you make flapjacks. They're pretty quick and simple and really easy to do, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another upload. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, feel free to let me know in the comments down below or messaging me on one of my social medias. I will leave all those links in the description down below. And if you've made it this far, thank you. I just want to ask you one more question. Should I start doing some more videos like recreating somebody else's video or a vegan playlist? Let me know in the comments or social media. Bye guys.